The trajectory of Japanese Breakfast and Michelle Zauner's artistry is just a beautiful thing to watch.
It's something that feels like cinematic, but yet emotional in a beautiful way.
Japanese breakfast music is emotionally powerful indie rock music that takes us through her grief and trials and tribulations like the memoir does, just in a different form.
A really important album for them is Psychopomp for sure, which is referenced a lot in Crying in H Mart because it follows a time in Michelle Zauner's life where she was dealing with the grief of losing her mother.
It just sounds what it feels like to watch someone die and to fight this uphill battle against cancer that you just probably won't win. And I think she communicates that really well and holds a space for people who are grieving and for other Asian Americans who would like to see themselves in the pop scene.
Their sound really transitions throughout their different albums. The next one moved away from grief, Soft Sounds for Another Planet, and moved into this kind of shoegaze, synth pop sounds. And then you have Jubilee from 2021 that also was critically acclaimed, that really delved into the kind of pop sounds that we all love, like everything from Fleetwood Mac to like bouncy bass lines of David Bowie in the 80s.
My favorite song by Japanese Breakfast is Be Sweet. Very upbeat and poppy, but it talks about accepting oneself and being okay with being yourself.
Some that I personally really like are Posing for Cars and Heft. I think that both of those have really interesting use of metaphors, and I just love the way that her voice sounds in them.